Multi-stage amplifier. The next topic is transformer coupled amplifier, where the main difference is what? The collector resistance is removed with the help of transformer coupled. This transformer is used for impedance matching purpose. So impedance matching can be takes place with the help of transformer. Okay. The turns ratio of winding can be carefully adjusted to get the impedance matching from one stage to another stage. T1 and the T2 are the coupling transformers you can observe here. These transformers are specially designed depending on the frequency range of operation of amplifier. Next, the basic features of this transformer coupled amplifier are it only couples AC signal. That means there is no possibility to couple the DC voltage through transformer from one stage to another stage. So here the stability factor or the Q factor does not affected. Also, due to possibility to adjust the turns ratio of transformer winding, the stages can be perfectly matched for their impedance. So there is no this is not possible in case of RC coupled or direct coupled amplifier. Therefore, the maximum power transfer become possible in case of transformer coupled amplifier also. Next part is transformer coupling is especially useful in the audio power amplifier where the low speaker resistance is to be matched with the high output impedance of an amplifier. The interwinding capacitance may result in the resonance at some frequency. So at this frequency, the gain of amplifier will be higher than that at the some other frequency. Therefore, sometimes we observed the peaking, simply you can observe in case of when the resonance occur, some peaking is occur. Peaking is you can observe here. So this, so increase, sudden increase in the amplitude is called as peaking, and this is maybe your high frequency. Okay, so this is the high frequency signal where the transformer, it is possible to convert this transformer coupled amplifier into tune voltage amplifier by connecting the capacitor across the transformer winding. If you connect across transformer winding the capacitor, then it may, there is a possibility of tune amplifier. Okay, so due to this interwinding capacitance, internal interwinding capacitance, the result in the resonance may occur, and which is also called as the peaking. Okay, so these are the some main features of transformer coupled amplifier, multi-stage amplifier. So basically the advantage, very first advantage is impedance matching. Next advantage is higher voltage gain. Third advantage is DC biasing of individual stage will remain unchanged even after cascading. So if you connect very number of stages, then still the DC biasing will remain unchanged. Okay, next, some disadvantages due to use of coupling transformer, it becomes some bulky circuit becomes bulky and expensive too. Next, there may be possibility of core saturation. Also, frequency response is not perfectly flat, that you know very well. You already observed that some peaking is occurred at certain frequency or at high frequency. So instead of getting the flat frequency response, you get some peaking or the some sudden increase in the amplitude. There are different applications of this transformer coupled amplifier, like impedance matching purpose. You can use at a radio frequency signal in low in power amplifiers, or for transferring the power to a low impedance load such as loudspeaker. We can use the transformer coupled amplifier. So this was all about the transformer coupled